Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm going to show how to install Python on your desktop in very easy way. Okay, so for this please go to Chrome and just type python.org. Okay, now after this interface will pop up. Okay, so here you have to go to download section and go to Python 3.11.2 version. Okay, after this download will be started and I'm going to download. Now here is Python. I have already downloaded. Just open it. Now click add python.exe file to path. Okay, now customize installation, click over here. Documentation, pip will install required packages in Python, and ideally create ideally development environment in Python. So click next and install Python 3.11 for all user. Please click and keep all rest of the file as it is. Install. Now after some time it will. So now the setup was successful. You can close the tab and go to search bar over here, or you can go to window icon. So here is Python. It is automatically installed ideally as well, and it also install it has been also installed pip as well. So by this way you can install Python. So thank you so much for watching my video till now, till end. And before closing my this session, I would like to cordially request all of you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much guys for your kind attention.